Hello and welcome. I am Anusha Yadav, and this is my graduation project, a conceptualized artisanal streetwear collection inspired by motion, perception, and transformation. This collection is rooted in cinetization, a philosophy pioneered by kinetic artist Paul Bury. At its core, cinetization means making the still move. This became the driving force of my project. How can fashion, a medium we perceive as static, be transformed into something fluid, something dynamic? My design journey began with the study of movement, not just physical motion, but emotional, structural, and perceptual shifts. I explored how silhouettes evolve as you walk around them, how fabric breathes, distorts, and reacts to its environment. Each garment in this collection is built to distort the boundary between motion and stillness. I used oversized silhouettes and layered textiles inspired by kinetic sculptures, where rigidity meets rhythm and symmetry dissolves into flow. From asymmetric cuts to sculptural drapes, every piece holds tension between control and spontaneity, between the body and the space it moves through. The color palette further emphasizes its duality. Monochrome tones, grays, whites, blacks, anchors the stillness, but these sharply disrupted by highly contrast highlights, bold accents that jolts the eye like flashes of motion breaking into movement. The surfaces are the true language of this collection. Each garment tells a tactile story, using techniques that stimulate movement. Digital prints from my original artworks. Each yarn has been taken out from the digital printed fabric and then embroidered Kardana embroidery over them. Kardana embroidery from intricate and handcrafted textures, box pleats, cordings, and layered construction that create sculpture rhythm, and cutouts that reveal contrast, depth, and unexpected layers underneath. These garments shifts visually and emotionally. As the wearer moves, they feel alive. They transform with light, shadow, and perspective. This collection is not just conceptual study, it responds to a real gap. Artisanal streetwear today is often split between two extremes: minimalist design that lack depth and heavy embellishment pieces that sacrifice functionality. There is a need for bold, expressive, wearable clothing, pieces that balance fine craftsmanship with movement, comfort, and story. My collection meets that demand. Each piece is visually sculptural. It's a wearable art that moves through urban spaces, created for those who crave originality and intention. This collection is designed for urban creatives and cultural tastemakers, individuals who value storytelling in fashion, who see clothing not just for a statement but as identity, people who embrace art, innovation, and who want fashion that's as expressive as they are.